Welcome back to another round of crypto terms. Today's crypto term, smart contracts. A smart contract is a self-executing line of code that contains the terms of an agreement between buyer and seller. This agreement is automatically verified by a computer network when completed. Why are smart contracts important? They're the backbone of many second-generation cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, which was the network that first introduced them. Smart contracts allow cryptocurrency networks to do more than just act as a currency. The technology behind smart contracts allows for decentralized networks to support applications and other features that older networks like Bitcoin didn't natively allow. That's it for today. Don't let crypto jargon be a barrier between you and financial freedom. Head to iTrustCapital.com for more information and keep it here on our channel for key concepts to learn.